Hello everyone, today we're going to learn Unit 8, page 74, words with U-B-E. Cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Repeat after me. Cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Tube, T-U-B-E, tube. Repeat after me. Tube, T-U-B-E, tube. On the lower part of page 74, say, trace, and write. And please remember that you need to give a space before you write a word. On page 75, read, match, and write. Number 1, tube. Tube. Number 2, cube. Cube. On the bottom part of page 75, track 97, listen and number. Number 1, tube. Tube. Number 2, cube. Cube. That's all for today. Have a nice day.